How to create a Riot Games account. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. Today in this video we are gonna learn how we can easily create a new account on Riot Games using your Android or your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's get started. First of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and search for Riot Mobile. Once you find this application, download it on your device and click on play. You'll soon find yourself in this official welcome page where you can easily go ahead and create a new account. You can sign up to Riot with your Google account, Xbox, Apple, Facebook or your PlayStation account's credentials. To sign up with Riot, tap the Riot button and follow through the instructions. On the next page, go ahead and sign into your existing account if you have one. If you want to create a new account, then tap on Create Account at the bottom. Now, go ahead and enter a valid email address on the next page. After typing it down, click on the next box whether you'd like Riot to share your email address with third-party partners or not. If yes, check this little square box. If not, leave it unchecked and then tap on the arrow at the bottom. On the next page, enter your date of birth information. Finally, after you are done, click on this I agree box and click on the arrow at the bottom. Now enter a username for yourself and then create a password on the next field. Finally, click on the arrow at the bottom and soon after you do that, you'll be asked to create your in-game name and then your tagline. Go ahead and do that. Click on the arrow at the bottom and now you have successfully finished signing up for Riot. Once you're done creating your account, you can use your Riot account for Valorant, LOL, TFTs and other Riot titles. So there you have it. That is how it's super easily done. Now there you have successfully created a new account for Riot. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.